Hey everyone, Eric Miller, Econologics Financial Advisors, and I just want to take some time to, number one, wish everyone a happy holidays. And I know this is a time that we're going to kind of reflect and spend time with our families. And I want to do the same thing, just looking at the previous year. Look, there's no year that goes by where you don't have some ups and some downs. Personally, many of you may know I had some health issues that occur earlier in the year, and it really made me realize a couple of things. Number one, it made me realize that we cannot ignore our health and our wealth. And it's important that we constantly monitor those two things, because if they don't, as I learned, it can get away from you and it can cause things that you don't want to experience. But number two, I think what I really realize is just how much I love helping practice owners, how much I love watching you expand, how much I love watching you guys grow and get confidence and control of your money. So I just wanted to, as we go into 2023, there's going to be ups, there's going to be downs. Let's just try to have more ups than we have downs, and realize that we're all kind of going through this together. And I don't care, how someone looks, on Facebook or Instagram. Real life doesn't work that way. And we just have to make sure that we help each other. The industries that you're in are very important, and your financial success is going to allow for more people to feel better. And our job is to make sure that you have control over your finances, and that's what we're going to continue to do going into 2023. So Merry Christmas, Happy New Year. We love you all, and we'll see you down the line, and have a very, very happy holidays, and I'll talk to you next year.